Introducing the Sharp XEA102 from shopstuff.co.uk. The 102 is a very basic entry-level machine from Sharp. In the box you will get a full operator and programming manual, a user quick start guide, the on-site warranty card which will need to be filled out and sent back to Sharp to validate the warranty, a take-up spool if you're using the machine with a journal roll, a very small starter roll. We recommend that further boxes are purchased with the machine, and a full set of keys, operator and drawer keys. Using the 102 couldn't be simpler. Simply turn the key round to the reg position. The machine will then power up, showing the LCD display. Enter the amounts for the goods that are being taken and press any one of the 8 department keys. The first 4 are on one-touch buttons. The further 5, 6, 7 and 8 you have to press the shift to. So in this case, department 2. Continue with the sale until all items the customer requires have been accounted for. When you've finished, press the subtotal and the total amount due will be displayed. Simply enter the amount of money given by the customer. Again, you'll notice that at no point are we entering the decimal point on this machine, as this is automatically placed in on this machine. Press the cash button, the drawer will open and the receipt will print out. The display shows the amount of change to be given. The cash drawer has a coin holders at the front. These dividers can be taken out and moved as required, as can the coin tray be taken out of the machine, allowing for space for credit card slips or cheques. It has 3 note holders as standard, so notes and coins will have to be mixed. Doing a report at the end of the day on the machine is very simple. Simply turn the key round to the Z position, shown here, and press the cash button. As this machine features a dot matrix printer, this can take some time. When finished, simply tear off this report and the amount of sales for that day will be shown on it. Don't forget to turn the key back around to the reg position and the machine is now ready for its next day operation. The machine, as with a very basic machine, does not feature a customer rear display, and as mentioned earlier, has a very simple dot matrix printer which requires the paper rolls to be fed through here and the ink roller applied here to be changed periodically. The Sharp 102 is available from Shop Stuff and is available in the charcoal / black colour shown here, and also in a grey colour.